Good afternoon. The winds are certainly making the day feel rather cold, and the winds are going to be very important for the week to come as well. At the moment we've got these very cold southeasterly winds, but in the next 24 to 36 hours they're gradually going to come around to a more westerly direction, and they're still going to be very strong through the week ahead. Now, as soon as that happens, we're going to find a whole flurry of Atlantic weather systems sweeping eastwards across the British Isles. There'll be some wet and windy weather sweeping eastward, in between some sunshine and some showers. So let's take a look at today's winds, generally from an easterly, southeasterly direction, particularly strong on this western side, but everywhere it's the chill effect of the wind that's being very important today. In fact, if we add that in, then as you can see, it feels as though temperatures are well below freezing right the way across the British Isles. Quite a lot of cloud around, a little bit of sunshine. There could be the odd snowflake appearing across the southeast, and on this eastern side of Scotland where there's some thicker cloud, a little bit of drizzle, a little bit of brightness around, and we've also got some thicker cloud out to the west, and that's beginning to bring some rain into the west country and across the western side of Ireland. Now this evening we're going to find that rain moving up across Cornwall, into Devon, into southwest Wales, up into Northern Ireland, with some heavier bursts of rain appearing on the western side of Scotland. Further east there will be some ice, particularly up on the higher ground, up on the hills, on icy roads there out on top of the hills, and a very nasty start to the day tomorrow. Strong winds, some rain moving in, and those icy conditions, so do beware. Now through the day tomorrow, that wet and windy weather is gradually going to move a little bit further eastwards. There'll be some sleet and snow up on the Welsh mountains, up over the higher ground of Scotland. And we are going to find that cold continental air lingering on this eastern side, and as soon as the rain runs up against that, it'll turn readily to sleet and snow. Now there will be a little bit of sleet down in the southeast, probably not amounting to much, but we are going to see quite a bit of snow up on the Pennines northwards, and there could well be some snow showing up at lower levels on that eastern side. But eventually the mild Atlantic air will come in behind that, and as that warms things up, I think we're going to find the sleet and snow turning back to rain. So on Tuesday, that wet and windy weather on the eastern side gradually moving away, brighter showery weather coming in, but the showers becoming increasingly heavy and wintry over northern hills. On Wednesday, another band of wet and windy weather will sweep eastwards across the country, moving in from the Atlantic. Behind it, a return to sunshine and showers, and once again, some of those showers could well be heavy. On Thursday and Friday, it's going to turn very windy indeed over northern parts of the British Isles, gale or even severe gale force winds in the north. Some remnants of the rain in the south clearing away, and then for the end of the week all of us seeing sunshine and showers. Those showers are likely to be wintry from around about North Wales and the Pennines northwards, and then later in the day we're going to find some more wet and windy weather sweeping in from the Atlantic. And that's the Countryfile weather.